Oh, you little devils, you're starting early this morning. Oh, that was sort of short-lived. Did I bother you when I brought the camera? Oh, I'm so sorry, darlings. Oh, I'm so sorry, darlings. I was just going to put a light in your light. Maybe that will...
No, buddy, you can do a better job than that. You're missing. Oh, I spoiled it again. Dale just alerted me that they're going to town again. Maybe this time I will catch the famous whistle that Bud does when he finally finishes. Oh my goodness, buddy. Jeez. Whoa. Whoa, baby, there goes the arm. He's got to keep balance. Hang on there. Hang on. Is that it? Are we finished? She says, get off me. Oh, we got it. We got it finally.